राजकीय क्षेत्रामध्ये सुद्धा त्यांनी कामकाज केलेलं आहे। म्हणजे प्रत्येक क्षेत्रामध्ये काकासाहेब वाघ यांचं मोलाचं असं योगदान आहे आणि त्यांनी पूर्ण आयुष्य आपलं समाजासाठी वाहून दिलेलं होतं।
Good morning to everyone. Myself Sumedha Chaya Nilesh Pingre, student of class 10. Today I am going to speak about Padma Shri Kakasaheb Wagh, the founder of Ketewagh Education Society. Suitable agricultural family of Vajabai and Sayaji Wagh in the Ranwad village of Kakasaheb Wagh is still present today. Because of his tireless work for the oppressed, underprivileged and marginalized communities, he was awarded Padma Shri, a coveted award by Government of India on 26 January 1970.
Remembering a mission, we are remembering a movement, we are remembering a soul with a proper mission. Shri Kakasaheb Wagh was not born into luxury. He was born into values of hard work, social service and honesty. He was not the one who waited for opportunities, but he was the one who created them, not just for himself, but for the thousands of villagers, students and farmers, which we also come under. In today's world, many people are there who chase fame and money, but he was the one who showed us a different path.
He played a major role in the establishment of Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj in Nasik and was greatly influenced by the thoughts of great leaders like Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj and Mahatma Phule. Kakasaheb Wagh also played a major role for the upliftment of poor and minor communities in the Nasik district.
काकासाहेब वाघ हे थोर समाजसेवक, शिक्षक, तज्ञ आणि शेतकऱ्यांचे खरे मार्गदर्शक होते। त्यांनी केतेवाग शिक्षण संस्थेसाठी संस्था उभारली आणि हजारो मुलांना शिक्षणाची संधी प्राप्त करून दिली।